Welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how you can apply the lens protector to your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25. So I have some cheap ones that you can just buy online from like AliExpress, or not AliExpress, but something like Amazon. And in here we just get the actual lens protector. You can see right here. And the wet and the dry wipes. Now you can use the wet or dry wipe and the dry wipes, or you can use a microfiber cloth depending on which one you have. Personally, I don't like these. These are small. Sometimes they're dry, so yeah, I just prefer to use a microfiber cloth. Now, when wiping down your lenses, as you do want to clean them off so there's no garbage between them, you also want to make sure that there's nothing in between the space, so actual glass part right here, as the adhesive on this little lens protector only adheres to the actual glass right here, not the lenses themselves. So the space right here is just empty, and where you have the black area, that's where the glue is. So it's only gonna stick around the lenses like so. So anyway, make sure you clean it off. Now, one thing with these kind of protectors right here that I have is that because the lenses right here have a little bit of a lift from the glass, there is trash that might get under it, right? So these will basically prevent that from happening, which is pretty nice. If you already have this phone for some time, have it in your pocket and stuff like that, you might want to take extra care to get rid of trash that will be under these kind of weird lens rings, as later on, once you apply it, these might get on top of the lens and get you a crappier result with photos. So just make sure it's very clean around and in that space right below here. So from there, grabbing the little lens protector, I'm gonna peel it off. You can see how it looks like. And you just wanna apply it. You can wiggle it around to make sure that the actual protector lays on the phone back, not the actual lenses. It should be completely flush with the glass right here, so it shouldn't be like lifted up or anything like that. You can apply some additional force to it to make sure that it's in place, and that's it. You can see it's now protecting your lenses and also preventing any crap from getting under those little rings. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.